I want to point something out. This is my fault, but point it out. You see how this stuff on here? I put these frames, after I put Sertan on them, into a tote. You can see how some of this is torn up. That was small hive beetles. So the small hive beetles got in here in the pollen and reproduced. There's actually one right there. See it crawling around. It's not wax moths, there's no tunnels. But my plan was to clean off any frames that had pollen and just strip them full of wax. So this is how many I had. It's lucky that I put all of these in a tote. You can see how this has all been chewed up, sort of cracked all through here. So I'm just going to scrape these down to the foundation. Look, there's another one right there. Yep, small hive beetle. Again, the wax moths don't get into it when you get the BT, but if you have anything in here, and my problem is I didn't freeze this. I should have froze this long enough to kill anything in there, and I didn't. But I was planning to cull stuff this year. As it gets pollen, it's just more of a pain in the butt to either get the pollen out or keep it clean so that this doesn't happen. So I'm going to scrape these out, and I'll just let them rebuild, and I'll clean the frames the best I can. I guess the one good thing was I don't store my frames in boxes like this. I store them in totes. So the tote in the bottom had all of the small hive beetle larvae. So all of them are mostly dead or close to dead, so I was able to shake everything out, put it in a galvanized open tub, and then I just torched it. So, but my plan is to scrape all this stuff down, and then we'll render the wax. Just let them build new. The girls made so much honey this year that I could probably do what I need to slow them down a little bit, but also keep the product as clean as possible. Since there was definitely small hive beetles on here, you don't know what kind of yeast may still be on here. So I'm going to scrape this down. I will soak this. I think I used bleach and a little bit of washing soda, similar to what Ryan Williams did. And I'm going to take the foundation out and do that. You don't really have to do that. You could probably just get new frames, but it's not that hard to do that. And once you get everything softened up, you can power wash it off pretty easily. But my solar wax melter is filled with cappings, wax cappings still. So once I get all this stuff off, I'm going to have to stick it somewhere. Maybe even stick it in the freezer. But again, wax moths were not an issue. It was small hive beetles. So just something to be aware of. That can happen. But I'm going to go through and 6 supers worth. Just go ahead and scrape them out. It's just going to be easier to let them rebuild. They've rebuilt more than that this year, so we'll just keep doing that, cycling it out. Again, it's the stuff that has pollen in it. Even some of this didn't have small hive beetle stuff, but I could poke some of these out. If it's just a handful, I have been poking them out, but at this point I think I'm just ready to clean them out and just let them start fresh. That'll get us some clean wax on these frames too. So that's all. Just wanted to share that. I've been removing frames that had pollen and brood in them, and I'm scraping down every bit of wax I can get off there so that I can put it in our solar wax melter. And we still have some more to do here. But what I'm doing with the foundation is I'm putting it in here. I have to put hive tools on it just to keep it weighted down and underneath the surface, but I put hot water and washing soda in here. And actually this agitation is entirely from like the fan, but every day I'll separate them out so more solution get between the two, But what I did notice just right off the bat, when I pull my hive tools out of here, I can just wipe the propolis right off of it. So really going to get the beeswax off, but I'll let this soften, and then hopefully this weekend, if it's warm enough, I'll power wash those off and get those back to good. I did that on a couple other ones, and there's still a little bit of wax in there, but nothing really dirty. And then I'll re-wax these and reuse these. Pretty good shape. We got drone comb. I cut this out of the green frames and put it into wooden frames. I just don't like those openings in the edges of the frames, the plastic frames. But now that 21st Bee has frames that are solid and there's no openings in the sides, I'd probably just buy those instead moving forward for our drone frames. Anyways, just do an update on that. It is Saturday. These are soaked for several days. They look pretty, a lot of stuff coming off them. Interesting too, the propolis and stuff that's on the hive tools, you can just wipe it right off. So hopefully, I'm just gonna pull them out of here and then just immediately just power wash them down here. We'll see how it goes.